Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'll be making a Mexican inspired quinoa salad. So let's go through our ingredients. I've got one zucchini or courgette, I've diced it, and then I've got 1 carton of black beans, so drained. They are 230 grams. You can use the one in the tin. I've got 1 small red onion, half a medium bell pepper, 4 large cloves of garlic minced. I've got 3 scallions or green onions, 1 chili. They didn't have jalapenos, but the chilies in the UK, they do look like jalapenos. I'm using 1 red one. I've got some coriander or cilantro, 1 vegetable stock pot, got some mild chili powder, ground cumin. I will list all the measurements in the description box below. I've got 1 lime. We've put some black pepper. I've got some homemade jalapeno salt, so you can use sea salt, kosher salt, whatever salt you wish. You can use as much as you want. And then I've got some extra virgin olive oil. This is my quinoa that I've washed. It's 1 cup. I've got 1 cup of hot water here. What I'm going to do is dissolve our vegetable stock pot to make some vegetable stock. Just gonna mix it to help it dissolve. Yep, all dissolved, so we put that to one side. I've got 1 chopped tomato. It is 227 grams. I'll be using the whole tin. And then let's get started on our dressing. So we're going to use 1 lime. Gonna add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. The mild chili powder, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of jalapeno salt. And we'll use half a teaspoon of ground cumin. Just mix that. That's our dressing. Let's go and get started on our salad. You can have this salad warm or cold. So over to the stove. Okay, so we've got our pan on. We're just going to add some olive oil just to saute our veggies. Going to add in our onion, peppers, garlic, scallions, and cilantro. Add in our zucchini or courgette. Got half a cup of frozen sweet corn. Add in our black beans. Just gonna put in a few turns of black pepper and some Himalayan pink salt. Let's put in our quinoa. Add in our tomatoes. Just gonna add in our vegetable stock now. We're going to add in our flavoring. Okay, so that's starting to simmer. We're going to turn this down on a low heat and let it cook for 20 minutes. And once all the water has absorbed, we'll turn the fire off and we'll leave it for 5 minutes and then fluff it. See you back in 20 minutes. We're just turning it all the way down and then we'll cover it. Okay, so our quinoa has been on for 20 to 25 minutes. Most of the water seems to be absorbed. We're just going to turn the fire off and let it sit. Our quinoa has been sitting covered with the fire off for 5 minutes. We're just going to fluff it. So we're just going to serve it now. We'll put some avocados on top, so I will see you back when we're plating up. And that's our Mexican inspired quinoa salad, so we'll do a close-up. So there you have it, a Mexican inspired quinoa salad. Don't forget you can serve this warm or you can serve this cold. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up to show that you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!